Hey guys, I'm Hannah Mayer. I'm a certified running coach and motion specialist at EW Motion Therapy in Birmingham, Alabama. If you're feeling any aches or pains after your race, this is a great time to check in with a physical therapist. They can help you bounce back quicker and more safely with hands-on techniques like stretching, massage, dry needling, and mobility exercises tailored just for you. But physical therapy isn't just for injuries or post-race rehab. Physical therapy and personal training can be helpful for runners at any stage. Working with a professional can help prevent injuries, improve your form, increase strength and mobility, and enhance your performance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, regular sessions can keep your body feeling strong and balanced. It starts with a full body assessment. Your physical therapist might check your running form, your flexibility, your strength, and joint alignment. They will do a gait analysis to see how you move and where you might be overcompensating. It is important to look at the body as a whole from head to toe. Based on their assessment, they'll build a plan tailored just for you. Then they may recommend working with a personal trainer to build strength and get you moving better. Strength training will likely focus on strengthening the muscles that make up the posterior chain, which are the glutes, hips, hamstrings, and the calves. Runners also need to focus on having a really strong core and good hip extension. All of this works together to keep your pelvis stable and help prevent injuries. There will be heavy focus on single leg exercises like RDLs, step-ups, and a variation of different lunges. Strengthening these areas supports better alignment and helps fend off issues. Your physical therapist might also use techniques to improve joint mobility or release muscle tightness. If you're dealing with something like tendonitis or a stress fracture, your PT will shift gears to help you safely recover. That could mean specific rehab exercises, rest periods, or a gradual return to run program to rebuild strength without risking re-injury. One of the best parts of working with a professional is the ongoing monitoring and support. They'll track your progress, make changes if something isn't working, and keep you moving forward at a pace that fits your body. Linked down below is a free downloadable 8-week 5K training plan. Having a physical therapist or a personal trainer in your corner can make all the difference in how strong and confident you feel going into race day.